The 2021 Jeep Compass facelift has been launched in India with prices starting at 16,99,000 rupees, going all the way up to 28,29,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom. The new Compass facelift is offered in 4 variants: Sport, Longitude option, Limited option, and the range-topping Model S. There's also the 80th anniversary edition based on the limited option variant. India is the second market globally to get the Compass facelift. The dashboard design is completely new and now gets a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen system with the new Uconnect 5 infotainment system along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The feature list also includes ventilated front seats, wireless charging, fully digital instrument console, 360-degree camera, LED headlamps and more. Engine options on the new Compass facelift include the same 1.4-litre turbo petrol and the 2-litre diesel paired with manual and automatic transmissions. Tata Motors has unveiled the new Safari SUV as the brand's new flagship offering, and the model will go on sale in a few weeks from now. The all-new Tata Safari is based on the automaker's Omega Arc platform while sporting the Impact 2.0 design philosophy. Compared to the Harrier, the new Safari is 70mm longer, while the width and wheelbase remain unaltered. The new Tata Safari also comes with 3-row seating and will get 6 and 7-seater configurations. Power comes from the Fiat Source 2-litre diesel engine that puts out 168 brake horsepower and 350 Nm of peak torque. The engine will be paired with a 6-speed manual and a Hyundai-sourced 6-speed torque converter. The safety features are extensive too, including 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, hill descent control and more. Pre-bookings for the new Tata Safari will begin from the 4th of February 2021, while there are 6 variants to choose from. KTM India has launched a new rider engagement initiative called KTM Adventure Trails. The new initiative features single-day adventure rides where KTM Adventure motorcycle owners are given basic training in off-road riding and exploring new trails in and around their respective cities. The first set of KTM Adventure Trails were conducted in 10 cities across India. The idea is to familiarize riders with the KTM range of adventure motorcycles that include the 250 Adventure and the 390 Adventure for now. KTM says that it will continue to organize such single-day adventure tours in India over the next few months.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.